Well, boys and girls, ready or not, the first snowstorm of the year is here. As you can see, it's snowing pretty heavily here. It hasn't really started to mount up yet, at least not where I'm at yet at work. But I know where I live, which is about an hour and a half further south than this, it was already starting to lay on the grass and stuff. Down where I live, depending on what forecast you listen to, the NBC forecast has where I live getting 10 plus inches. Oh, sorry, that was the CBS one. Has us at 10 plus inches. NBC has us in, I believe, the 48 range. And I'm actually at work right now, and the area here, they're both calling for 48. So I guess we'll find out by tomorrow afternoon what exactly we're going to get, and I'll let you know. Well, see you later.